Hey guys, today we're going to test whether the Anvil Splitter is actually worth it. There's currently no blueprint for it, and it's pretty rare to find, so let's see how good it really is in PvP. It replaces the original bullets with ones that split into 4 weaker projectiles. So let's test it out first, then we'll head over to Stellamontis for some real testing. As you can see, it's pretty accurate, and it has a wider bullet spread, which makes it act kind of like a shotgun. When you're standing still, every bullet hits the target, which is a big plus. Even while sliding, it's pretty accurate. Now let's test it on some real targets. Damn, it broke that shield in one hit.
I split that target.
Fuck, he's low.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Hey, don't shoot!
He's one. Oh.
Somon died down here.
An arc orbiter is en route. Window is closing. 10 minutes to get out of there. I repeat, 10 minutes.
I think there's another one. This guy scared the shit out of me.
Thank you.
That's a 5-team lobby right there. That's my stamina gone.
Why? What's wrong with you? Say it!
Shut it, bitch.
No! Your mom is my bitch!
They're all coming. I'm screwed. Ah, well, GG's.
Killing me, man.
There's like 3 of them right there. I have to heal up though. Only 2 shots. It's basically a shotgun. Now tell me that this is not some bullshit, man. Wait, what? I was behind the wall. What the heck? What the fuck is going on? Ah, whatever. GG's, man.
Oh shit, I killed you.
So overall, I really like the Anvil Splitter. I think it's decent and works well at both close and long range, and I can see why it's rare to find. I had a lot of fun playing with it. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.